What we wanted, we need justice. We want justice to be done. And the Senate should look into the screening of Senator Danladi as a ministerial appointment. And especially we want the Supreme Court to respect the justice of the Supreme Court. That is what we are looking for now. That is exactly what we wanted. The 10 years, okay. And the 10 years is not yet elapses. And we actually want that to occur. The Senate will expect them actually to look into the justice of the Supreme Court. We want them to carry on the justice because the justice must be prevailed. When we know that somebody is not doing the right thing, we know that somebody who has committed blunder, criminal offense, has been judged and sentenced for such offense, it's not the best for us to allow him to be in that Senate list. That is exactly what we wanted. The forgery of the certificates, and we believe that when somebody forges certificate, it's already a criminal offense. So that is the only thing.
For Taraba, but he
cannot represent us. No way. My name is Ekpa from Taraba. No, they have sent one national.